The chase begins. In pursuit of elegant painted stork, my lens witnessed an unexpected twist. As I aimed to freeze its grace, a stray dog leaped into action, attacking the stork. In that heart-shaping moment, I clicked the shutter, documenting the clash of predator and prey. Miraculously, the dog retreated, leaving a chance for me to approach the stork amidst the chaos. I captured the untamed essence of nature, a story of survival etched in pixels. As the dog's pursuit commences, here are some survival moments that I have photographed. And when the dog ran away, I slowly walked across the river to observe this painted stock very closely, and they didn't find me as a threat, which leads to the good photograph.